Hi, and welcome to our review of Bito AI, a fantastic code assistant for developers. Thanks for taking time to learn about this tool. I've been using AI to research and understand everything about it, and there's a lot of great stuff to share. Bito AI works right alongside you in your development environment, helping write better code and catch issues early. It's like having a really smart coding buddy who's always there to help out. The tool plugs right into popular code editors like VS Code, and it's incredibly helpful for both new and experienced developers. Let's talk about what makes it special. First, it's amazing at reviewing your code. It spots potential problems and suggests ways to make things better. It can even generate code for you when you need it, which saves so much time. One of the coolest features is how it explains code. If you're looking at something tricky, Bito AI breaks it down in a way that makes sense. It's also great at helping create tests, which we all know can be tedious work. The tool supports tons of programming languages, and developers are really loving how it fits into their workflow. The free version gives you access to core features, so you can try it out and see if it works for you. There are paid plans too if you need more advanced features. Want to learn more about Bito AI? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Bito AI. You'll find detailed breakdowns of all the features and how to get started. Thanks for checking out this review.